Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're exploring the groundbreaking work of two extraordinary scientists, James Watson and Francis Crick, who unraveled the secrets of life itself by discovering the structure of DNA. Introduction to Watson and Crick. James Watson and Francis Crick are two of the most influential figures in the field of genetics. Their discovery of the double helix structure of DNA in 1953 revolutionized our understanding of biology and genetics. The discovery of DNA's structure, using data from X-ray diffraction images. Produced by Rosalind Franklin and Morris Wilkins, Watson and Crick proposed the double helix model of DNA. This model explained how genetic information is stored and replicated within living organisms. Impact on genetics and medicine. The discovery of the DNA double helix paved the way for numerous advances in genetics and medicine. It enabled scientists to understand how genetic information is passed from one generation to the next, and led to the development of genetic engineering, gene therapy, and personalized medicine. Biotechnology revolution. Watson and Crick's work laid the foundation for the biotechnology industry. Techniques such as DNA sequencing, genetic modification, and cloning have all stemmed from their discovery, transforming fields like agriculture, medicine, and forensic science. Human Genome Project. The understanding of DNA's structure eventually led to the Human Genome Project, which mapped all the genes in the human genome. This monumental project has provided insights into genetic diseases and has opened up new avenues for medical research and treatment. Legacy and ongoing research. The legacy of Watson and Crick's discovery continues to impact science and medicine today. Research in genomics and molecular biology builds on their foundational work, constantly pushing the boundaries of what we know about life at the molecular level. Conclusion. James Watson and Francis Crick's discovery of the DNA double helix has changed the world in profound ways. Their work not only transformed our understanding of genetics, but also set the stage for countless scientific and medical breakthroughs that continue to benefit humanity. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on influential scientists and their discoveries. Until next time, take care.